Hello students, how are you? Today we will learn the chapter Health and Hygiene to keep ourselves safe and to stay healthy. Let's start. In order to lead a healthy life, we must keep our body and our surroundings clean. Good habits will help us to stay clean and healthy. So, living a healthy life is a must do thing, and we must keep our body and our surroundings clean so that we can maintain a healthy life. For that, we have to maintain the personal hygiene. Now, what is hygiene? Hygiene is keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean in order to prevent diseases. Yes, we know that dirty areas and dirty things accumulate germs, and that germs bring diseases. So, if we can clean ourselves and our surroundings clean, we can get rid of the diseases. Now, what is personal hygiene? Keeping our body clean is called the personal hygiene. So, to maintain the personal hygiene, we must keep our body clean. And to keep our body clean, we must follow some good habits. What are they? They are brushing our teeth twice a day. Yes, we know that after eating, some food particles stuck inside our teeth, and if we keep that food particles inside our teeth, it can accumulate germs, and this can make our teeth unhealthy. So we must brush our teeth twice a day. Taking bath every day and always wearing clean clothes. By brushing the teeth, we can keep our teeth clean, and by taking a bath every day, we can clean our entire body. Okay, and wearing clean clothes will help us to make the personal hygiene, because dirty clothes can bring germs. Next, combing our hair daily to keep it clean. Our hair can accumulate dust particles and other dirty things, and that can bring diseases. So combing our hair not only keep our hair clean but also help us to maintain our personal hygiene. Washing our hands before and after eating. Yes, we touch here and there every time. So before eating something, we must wash our hand, because we don't know that what kind of germs we are accumulating by touching here and there, because we cannot see the germs. So preventing us from falling in disease, we must clean our hands before and after eating. Covering our nose and mouth with a handkerchief while coughing or sneezing. We know that by coughing or sneezing, we can spread germs in our surroundings. So prevent it, we must close our nose and mouth by a handkerchief so that the particles of coughing and sneezing will not spread in the surrounding. Next, washing our hands with soap after using the toilet. We know that toilet is an area where germs can accumulate very quickly. So after using toilet, we must wash our hand with soap. Next is getting our fingernails and toenails clipped regularly. You can notice that there are some black patches inside the extra nail in your hand and toe. That black patches are dirts, and this can accumulate germ. And if we do not clip our fingernails or toenails, that germs can mix with our food and get inside us, and that can bring us disease. So we must clip those nails. Next is wearing slippers when we go out of the house. We know that road is, though it looks clean, but there are many unseen germs which can be in the road, and if our toe touches that germs, it can accumulate inside our toe, and after that, from that toe or feet, the germs can enter into our house. So for the prevention of this, we must cover our feet by wearing slippers. Okay students, next is keeping our surroundings clean. Not only we have to keep ourselves clean by maintaining the personal hygiene, we should keep our surroundings clean. What do you mean by our surroundings? Our surrounding means our house, our street, our neighborhood, and our school. This forms our surroundings. You can see that some people make our surrounding dirty. They throw rubbish on the road and letting the sewage out on the street. This can make our surroundings the breeding ground for mosquitoes and flies, and they are not at all healthy for us because mosquitoes can spread dangerous disease such as dengue and malaria. So we must not throw rubbish on the road and letting sewage out, so that mosquitoes do not have their breeding ground. Next, to keep our surroundings clean, we must follow some simple rules. We must throw garbage only in the dustbin, because we can cover the dustbin, and by covering it we can prevent the germs or the dirts spreading out in our surroundings. Next, we should not spit on the road. We know that spitting here and there is not a healthy thing. Not only it harms our personal hygiene, but also it keeps our surroundings dirty. Next, we should not let sewage flow into the street, because through the sewage all the dirty waters of our house goes out. So if that dirty water flew into the street, it can make the street dirty, and it will help the mosquitoes and flies to breed in that water. Okay students, so following these simple rules, we can keep ourselves and our surroundings clean to maintain a healthy life. Okay students, I hope you all understood this. So bye bye.